Saturday today. Oh, we got the police. We got the police. Hopefully you guys hear a difference in mic quality with my mic. I got a new mic because the last one picked up way too much wood noise. I'm currently heading up towards OC, Orange County. I live all the way down in San Diego, so I'm taking a ride up there, and I thought it'd be a cool video just to vlog, so you guys can see what the ride up there is like. So you guys can see what the ride up there is like. It's like an hour. It's like an hour ride on a motorcycle, like an hour and a half drive, something like that. So that's quite a bit of a ride, but it's mostly just freeway, so it should be pretty relaxing. But yeah, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It'll just be me riding most of the time and maybe me yapping about something, or if I see something cool, obviously. So yeah, we're about to get onto the main freeway that we're gonna take all the way up there pretty much. So yep, I'll be honest, it looks like it's gonna rain, and I really hope it doesn't start to rain, because that would suck. That would just be a cold and miserable ride and make this trip a lot longer than it should. I didn't even check the weather before I left, honestly, because I wasn't expecting to even try to drive, so oh god, we'll see. We'll see. Said I should get there by 11:50-ish, 11:45-ish, and it's currently 10 o'clock. No, there's no way. I'll get there by like 11. I don't know. We'll see. I'm getting over a cold, so if I sound like shit, that's probably why. Yeah, this will be our view for the next hour and something. It's a Cybertruck. I've seen a lot of those, but a lot of them are wrapped, so it's kind of rare to see ones that aren't wrapped, honestly, at this point. There's quite a bit of traffic. Congested for no reason. Congested for no reason. California. Sun is coming out, thank God. Woo! This is why we ride up here, because look at this. This is awful. This right here, the way it likes to sit in this, especially if it's no reason. those fishing poles. Thank you, sir. Thank you. That guy up there, that's the reason why bikers get into accidents sometimes, because he just crossed a solid white, because he just doesn't care. Same with this person, it almost looked like he was about to cross this white. Thank you. Don't do that. There's this Mustang up here, look kind of sketch. Always be aware of what's in front of you, like this Toyota Tacoma right here. I could barely see what was even in front of him. What I usually do is I usually look at people's tires, their wheels, because that's a pretty good, like, oh, Supra, indication of if they're gonna, you know, turn into you or not. Gives you enough time. Always look a few cars ahead, of course. Try not to die, because at the end of the day, if you're lane splitting, it's your fault if you crash, because you're taking a risk. You can just stay behind everybody else like normal people would, but you know, we are technically legally allowed to do it, but we are also liable. Is this CHP? Nope, look like undercover because of the little antenna up top. That is probably the coolest car I've seen coming up here. We're in Orange County now, everyone. San Clemente, the start of Orange County. San Clemente, the start of Orange County. Oh god. I'm almost to my destination, I hope. Sir? Sir! I am here! Is that a Supra? Is that a Supra? Oh, sheesh! It's a Supra! Oh, shit! Thing's sick, and it's left right-hand drive. Now that's the coolest car so far. That was cool. You don't see those all the time, at least down in San Diego, so it's always nice to see them. And I don't go out to car meets very often either, so I definitely don't see them very often. Alright, well, I pretty much reached my destination of where I need to be, so I don't know how this video is gonna go. Not a whole lot, just me riding in those two cars. Honestly, the super caught me by surprise, so that was honestly really cool to see. Well, guys, thank you guys all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.